Yeah, when I first started with you guys, I went from like having no calls at all or like barely having a consultation here or there to my calendar being so much to the point where I would get like 4 or 5 emails a week where people like, hey, I can't get on your calendar. And people like, man, like there was a comment on one of my ads. It was like, he's fake. That's why you can never even get on his calendar because it doesn't even exist.
That's a
Wow.
great comment.
Yeah, it was
Build the skills.
yeah, pretty ticked off that they couldn't get on the calendar. But yeah, it was crazy. That many leads were coming in. And it didn't happen until after I actually got with you guys and tweaked my messaging and I offer.
In today's session, we have Colin in the house who surpassed his 100K. Welcome to the 100K club, bro. Well done. No, that's a massive congratulations because, like no easy feat in today's world. I think so many people, they want to do that and they don't follow the right processes, coachable, and it's be part of your journey, man. Loved watching you grow. Just been awesome having you as an amazing client. What do you think? Let's just do a little quick, like, what was the biggest problem that drove you to deciding to join us?
Inconsistent lead flow. So before I got with COA, I got with you, Ed. Yeah, before running ads wasn't working because I didn't have a structure, didn't really have a process there. I was getting leads in, but not spending way too much. Stopped doing ads. And that was even worse because now I became the person on social media doing reels and all this different stuff. I was thinking about doing like podcasts. My attention was all over the place because that's what happens when you don't actually have a system or a process set. And then while I was really just doing research, I found you guys. I was just kind of opting into some things because I was like, you know what? I'm running ads or trying to learn ads. I want to see how other people are doing ads. But then I opted in. You guys kind of checked in on me and everything. So I said, you know what? They probably know what they're talking about here. So ever since then, it's been really, it's been consistent all the way out. Now I have a system that actually works, brings in consistent and potential clients every day.
What was the emotional like feelings where you were in that position where it wasn't? Because again, like I think most people think that becomes very normal. Like in today's world, they watch other people online and there is a just normalized approach, especially when you're like, you're starting up, or even if you've got a couple of clients, or you're doing, a couple of 10Ks here and there, whatever. A lot of people in that place of like, oh, it's just a normal, you have to be hustling hard, you have to be pumping out content. That is going to be normalized for everyone. And what was the moment that you realized it frees up so much? It allows me to, get the sales process better. What was the moment that you had that you're like, oh, this is really good?
Even when I say generate like a 10 or 15K month before, it still didn't feel like my business was really working. And because like I felt like maybe that month I just happened to have more leads, or say if it's like here in the US, you have like a lot of us over here may have a little bit more, money coming in, but it still didn't feel like things were working because I didn't have a way to actually get in clients, bring in leads. That moment was really when I realized like, yo, if I properly, the way I have my Facebook ads and everything, yeah, this can be consistent. Like I can actually bring in potential clients and then having the sales process to actually close them versus, I had a sales before and things like that, but just having something proven, working with you guys on that and then having the support there too. Yeah. And another thing you said was like the emotional part of it is like, man, doing something and it's not working is never a good feeling, especially months and months,
It's just you're never
doing that.
sure. That's the thing, and it's like it really just depends on how long you want to sit in that uncertainty. Then people think that becomes the norm, that it's so like up and down. And then when you apply consistency, knowing that you can increase your lead flow, get a system in place, brings a whole different stability to it. So look, you're well over 150K now, is that right? And that's a different level of consistency. So how does that make you feel on growing your business now moving forward?
I have more time now to continue to work on my business, do things that I just want to do. Yeah, man, it's changed everything. Like really, like this past year has been completely different from 4 years before that.
That's
Yeah,
awesome.
it's things are different now.
What have you loved the most so far? Whether it's the support, if you were to choose one, what would you say?
I say the support because the system is obviously amazing too. But even if you have an amazing system, which nobody else has your system, not saying that, but say if you did have another system that worked, if you don't have the support there to actually get you to the point where you can apply it to your business, then it's going to matter as much anyways. You guys have both. You have the system that actually has been proven. And same things that you guys use. It's not like you're showing us something that you don't do yourself. It's like everything that you're doing. That's how you guys have massively scaled your business. And we just inject that into our business, and yeah, it works. It just
So why you did a lot of research like most people do. Why did you choose us?
I would say it's because you guys actually reached out to me, and that really set you apart from anyone else. Like you opt into something online, and it's like you got an ebook or guide or something like that. You read it, you may or may not even look at it, whatever the case. But you guys actually hit me up. It was like, hey, you read the guide? I'm like, okay, that's a lot different. Especially like you mentioned earlier, being in the online space now. We're just not accustomed to doing things like that, and yeah, that really kind of set you guys apart just from the beginning. From what I noticed, I was like, yeah, this is different. They must have a different level of commitment to their process and to their business.
I like that different level of commitment. And no, look, a lot of people say that, and we do genuinely care, and we're different in regards to, as I said, my core offer is have the same processes in 4 different offers, whereas most people, as they're just teaching you how to have an online business. What would you say to someone on the edge of making that decision to join, that maybe hesitant about spending the money? I think today a lot of people are worried, even though you're getting a structure. Like the first funnel I bought, I spent 10 grand monthly fee for 6 months, £400 a month, had to build the funnel. And then when I left, they kept the funnel. So I never had anything left. And so it was like to help other people to grow their coaching. Like how do you make it better? Give them the funnel so that they don't need to buy a funnel. So there's residual value just in the funnel itself with the terms and conditions contracts. But what would you say to someone that was on the edge of joining, having, where you are now, where you used to be?
This is it. Just do it. I've invested into other programs and things like that too. But this is just on a completely different level. So if you really want to hit the 10 to 15K months like I have, and I'm by no any standard, because you guys have clients that has done 10 times more than me. But I'm just saying, like, if you want to hit that next level, this is where you need to be at COA for sure. Like, you got the system. And another thing, you guys continue to refine it, so it's always up to date. You guys put in the time and the effort. Like I said, it works. So just do it.
I wonder why do I never understand it, dude. I appreciate that. I never understand why people don't get help. Like I am someone that continually gets help, in any area of my life. Like I'm learning the piano. One of my friends is trying to learn the piano and he's learning it on YouTube. And I'm like, why are you not getting a teacher? Why do you not hire someone to help you? Like I'm already, not that it's a competition, but he's just not doing anything, and it's not getting any better based on his accountability. It's just zero. And I'm just every single day I'm logging hours over his hours, and I can see the path for structured grade 1 to 8, and it blows my mind. Why do you think people don't get the help? Do they need to go through more pain in order to increase the desire to make it easier? Or
a lot of people don't understand, like you mentioned earlier, how we're kind of used to doing the hustle and all that, doing all the posting and everything. I think people don't even realize you don't have to do that. I posted like one time on my main Instagram page. Like I've only posted like one time in a year. You don't actually have to post 3 times a day to get clients. You don't actually have to do that. So I think that they don't even know, like, things could be different, like in your business. I think that's why they don't go get help. They don't even know they got a problem.
I mean, and then like once you have your ads sorted, of which we're developing now, then of course you can build your organics as things start to occur, and as you start to increase your cash flow, you can spend more on hiring other people. It is that simple, yet so many people don't go down that route. I'm just wondering today, I think a lot of people just in the concept of it, they like the idea of it, but when it actually really comes down to it, I think they'd rather not do it, is what I'm coming to a conclusion. We're just doing some shifts at the front end to just assess where the market's at. But look, thank you. It doesn't happen without amazing people like yourself to be part of your wonderful journey. And look, I really appreciate you when you joined the advance, you just like, I want that pay in full energy. That was one of the coolest things I've heard. You know, how you buy is how you sell, and how you sell is how you buy. And it's not just a sales jargon thing. It's a real energy, because as you become more successful as an entrepreneur, it just makes to buy system structures. We just hired a new media buyer, hire we've ever done, and we're already seeing like a mass that we would have never got access, wouldn't have gone in on that, which is nothing we've explored in terms of like commitment to a large salary beyond anyone else's, you know. And it's to see someone like yourself just taking hold of that energy too. So let's get down to your session, my man. So what can I thank you so much, dude. Appreciate you. What can I help you with today? Anything specific?
I feel like on some other times I've done that, like I feel like my answers was a little, I mean, it was
No,
genuine,
dude,
but
it's all good. It doesn't,
I try
dude,
to keep it genuine, but
it
also,
doesn't matter what
you
you say,
know,
honestly. Like when you're doing your testimonials, honestly, like, you know, I've seen people in our industry trying like to get them to say certain things, and it's like it doesn't matter. It doesn't like matter what you say. It gets to a stage also, you get so many that it doesn't really matter anyway. It's
yeah,
important for you. It's important for us to have this time together, and it's always important to celebrate, right? And yeah, look, it puts another, you know, it is helpful for us, and it's helpful. It does get to a stage where it's like, you know, if they can't be that many, it like not you just, it's not good for them. You know, like if the majority of our clients that make decisions, they scan and have a little read. You know what I mean? It's like that they're not sitting there going through hours of testimonials. Do you know what I mean? Because
yeah.
it's like the majority have made the quick decision, tend to be a better client. So how with your clients as well, just sitting like, where was it? And then I'm always sitting there because I do like to listen. I'm always like I genuinely I'm sitting there going like, why do you not think people buy? Because I always get something. I like creating like that sort of content around why people don't buy, because it's still fascinating. Like as you do start to, it just makes no sense. It makes no
Yeah.
sense. Like we bought. I put some new content like in the webinar, new content in the next steps for the first level, and I worked
Uh-huh.
out last year how much and I haven't looked at that before, and I was like, yeah, that's good. 346,000 on just different sorts of things to test. IG shout outs, an agency on TikTok, different sort of like collecting basically an audience on TikTok and then retargeting that audience. Not one lead, dude. 3.5 million people in this that were coaching. You did great, man. Awesome to be part of it.
Glad to be here.